Congress has taken off all posters with Rahul Gandhi's face on them. The new Congress posters have just the Congress party symbol in focus. Sources are saying that this is yet another attempt to distance Rahul Gandhi from the Congress's defeat in case of such an eventuality.
The Lok Sabha elections might have been fought under the stewardship of Rahul Gandhi, and if you remember, every poster and every hoarding across the country had only Rahul Gandhi's face. But this time around, if you look at the Congress symbols that are there is a hand symbol and it has Indian National Congress written on it. There is neither Rahul Gandhi and nor is there any Sonia Gandhi on these posters. As you can see on all the posters here, there is no mention of the Gandhi family. Now, is this a strategy to really save Rahul Gandhi and the Gandhi family? And of course, remember, the Congress's strategy has always been that where the Gandhi family is concerned, they have to be insulated from any kind of defeat and every credit has to be given to them. In fact, we have with us Meme Afzal of the Congress party. Sir, the fact is that this time around, as you can see, there is no Rahul Gandhi on the poster. Now, is this the new strategy of the Congress party to insulate Rahul Gandhi? And Rahul Gandhi is missing from the posters and he was missing from the dinner yesterday.
First of all, I would like to say that this is not a poster. This is a backdrop to be used for you people, for the media. When we are going on different channels for the debates in the evening, you must have been seeing at my home or some other people.
But where these backdrops are concerned, every time you have a backdrop wherever across the country, you've had Rahul Gandhi. But this time in the backdrop, there is no Rahul Gandhi. What is the reason for that?
You are wrong. When you come for the press conference, do you see what is there? Is there any photograph there? And whenever we are using for the media, this is not a propaganda campaign. You are going to cover the occasion of election results. And that time, this backdrop is being used behind the spokesperson, and it is not a propaganda campaign. So
this is not an attempt to insulate Rahul Gandhi.
No, not at all.